Our awarded and patented CX outlet combines a C13 and C19 outlet into one flexible outlet. With no additional parts needed, a C14 and C20 cable can be plugged into a single CX outlet, delivering the ultimate flexibility in server installation data center-wide. The CX's outlet's innovative design allows a single Raritan PDU to be used for multiple applications, reducing the complexity and cost of the PDU selection process. When server or storage refreshes occur, you will already have the right outlets into the right locations, ensuring your installations are flexible and ahead of shifting outlet requirements.